GME stock analysis and GME stock price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end, find out. GameStop is melting. It's fell down like a freaking yeah, it's crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. My previous bias on this was actually I was very open-minded and wanting to take things up and whatnot, because you can see like last time I made a prediction, post-market it was like right here. Today pre-market, you know, obviously we open here and then boom, we crashed. We crashed and we crashed and we crashed. There was obviously no time for me to wait for the confirmation or anything, because obviously no rules got met, and obviously no, that there's a reason why I have a waiting sign, because I did not buy unless the rules were met, and they were not. So looking at this, yeah, just gonna mark the highs up, and so we're sitting here. The only thing that I'll care about is a proper shift now. I mean, after a crazy movement like this, I really just need to let some just kind of time do its thing, just kind of regulate, you know, and once it actually stabilizes and whatnot, then and only then I'm going to look to take things up. So let me know what is your opinion on GME, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.